What's going on, mother truckers? Today we had a prime driver flipped over on the I-71 in Kentucky, and I'm talking about a whole bunch of beer just spilled
Wait.
over.
Well, what kind of beer was it?
Bud Light.
Really? Bud Light? I thought it was something better.
Mother truckers, check out this raw video. All I gotta say is do not make fast turns when you're coming into the highway. Definitely moment of silence.
We don't need to.
What's wrong with Bud Light?
We don't need to. It's Bud Light. It's like water.